This is Joan of Arc here at Olivier's studio. French eating. So we eat the French way with an Ilongo word, of course. And the Ilongo for eat is kaon. So let's eat. Kaon ta. Bon appetit.
Bon appétit.
Bon appetit.
Hop.
So make that.
No, this is fat, so you don't take
That
it.
is fat. It's okay.
No, but me, it's not so good.
Okay.
Not so expensive,
So
you can...
today is an exception. Today is cheat day.
Yeah. And
Voilà.
you make that,
Voilà.
and you eat.
And eat. Eat.
Do it like that. I think
Okay.
you love it. Yeah, make the same for me.
Okay. Okay. 2 years, but this one is fresh.
Yeah, this is no, you don't make dry.
Fresh ham.
Fresh
Jam.
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 Yeah, you said not jam.
Ham.
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 Ah,
Hamon.
voilà. Yeah,
Hamon
jam
in
is
Spanish.
other.
I know.
I'm sorry.
So let's eat. Bon appetit. Now
Voilà.
this is
Saucisson.
saucisson.
This is saucisse.
Oh my gosh, sushi.
Saucisse.
Saucisson.
Sèche.
Saucisson.
You have a word. La saucisse.
Chorizo.
Yeah, it's like
Chorizo.
not chorizo.
Not chorizo. This is the intestine of the pork,
Yeah.
and inside is pork muscle. So this is saucisson
And fat.
and fat. So this is your French chorizo.
Yeah, but better than...